In this video, we will see how to get almost 50% discount in Durable AI, which is an amazing AI tool to create websites. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. To get this discount, click on the first link given in this video's description and follow along with me. This is the landing page. You can create your account if you don't have one. I already have an account, so I will click on sign in and you can see this is the home page. On top, you can see we are on the free plan. Click on it and click view plans. We can see all the available plans here. You can see their features. Click on show all plan features and you will be able to compare them and decide a suitable plan for yourself. On the top, if you select monthly, we get no discounts. But if we select yearly, we get a 20% discount and we can still get even more. Select any plan and click get started. We will be redirected to the payment page. Here, we can see the option to add promotion code. Click on it and type 5*30 and then click apply. You can see we have received a 30% discount here and we already received a 20% discount by selecting the yearly plan, making it almost a 50% discount. You can now enter the remaining details on the right and complete your payment. If you want to know about another AI tool to build websites, you can check the video on the left. If you want to know about an amazing AI tool that allows you to write SEO optimized content, you can check the video on the right. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.